Hi, it's Alyssa. I'm gonna make a kind of short tutorial this time. I did my entire face already. I didn't do any eyeshadow. I just kind of did a little bit of contour on it. For this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I do faux freckles, since I have some blemishes on my face. Just to kind of blend it in with the rest of my makeup, I like to put faux freckles. So I do try different products to see what looks better, and sometimes they don't look as natural as I would like them to look with certain products. I've been using the Naked Skin Shape Shifter, which I cannot say, in medium dark shift, and this is what it looks like. And I've been using the powder side, and I use the darkest color for my skin. If you have more of a pink undertone to your skin, then I would use this more reddish brown, but since my skin has more of a yellow olive undertone, then I use the darker one. This is Real Techniques, and it's a silicone liner brush for eyeliner. It is not a brush, really, it's just silicone. I'll just take some pigment on the very tip of the silicone brush and make very light dots on my nose. And I don't press that hard. This is what it looks like. And I do that on both sides. And I don't do any specific pattern. I make it look as natural as possible by doing kind of just crazy all over the place pattern. Sometimes I would put highlighter over my freckles to make them look like they're more under my makeup. But since I'm only showing you how I do my freckles, I decided to already do the highlighter. So I start off by making them look kind of dark, and I go down onto my cheek and under my eyes. So this brush does really small freckles. And where you can see where I have a blemish, I'm gonna change that into a mole. So I will press on it multiple times. And I'm not sure I'm gonna do that for all of these because that would be too many moles. So maybe just one. Make it into a mole like that. I try to get it as concentrated closer to the nose as possible, and then disperse it out on my cheekbones. And I have to keep dipping my brush into the product constantly because this doesn't hold a lot of product on it. So after I get as many as I want on my cheeks, I will move up to my eyebrows and put a little bit above my eyebrows. And I do have some blemishes right above my brows right here and over here. So I'll do that, and then I'll add some more to the top of my forehead. A little bit over here, and do some of my temples. And this is what it looks like right after I apply it. So it doesn't look that natural right now. So that is the first step that I do. And then I will take a fluffy brush. This is a Freckles Cosmetics fluffy brush. It's like maybe a blush brush. I'll go over the freckles since it's powder, and I'll just swipe everywhere to disperse the pigment. And I'm careful above my brows because I don't want to mess up my eyebrows. And they're a little more subtle. So when I want to get bigger freckles on my face, I will use a brush. So I use this Tarte eyeliner brush. This brush will give more thick freckles. So using the same product, I will twirl the brush inside. I will go like this in a circle, and then I'll tap the extra product off. I will barely touch it to my skin to make thicker freckles. And right as the pigment is going away, I'll press harder. And I'll do the same to the other side. If you press too hard, I can just wipe my fingers along it, and it'll make it look lighter. And I'll do that above my eyebrows as well. And then I will go in with that same blush brush. I will buff it into my skin. still tell that I do have blemishes on my face. Some spots, a few right there. In my opinion, I think the freckles disguise the blemishes more than if I didn't cover them up at all. So this was a really short tutorial of how I do my faux freckles. Sometimes I do way more, sometimes I do way less, and sometimes I use different products. Some work better than others. I've been really liking this powder because it's very easy to push it into the skin, making it look like it is a part of my skin. I know that some people try to get rid of their freckles, and it is a kind of new fad type thing. It hasn't been around that long. When I have blemishes on my face, I like to put fake freckles on. I love freckles, I think they're beautiful. I've always wanted freckles, but I have never had any. So I've always maybe been envious of those who did get natural freckles. Even though they didn't like them themselves, I still love them. So I will probably end it here and finish off with some setting spray. So of course I am going to use my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray. Shake it. I didn't do anything to my hair today, I just left it down. So this is my final look. If you want to see anything else that I have to show, to offer, like my contour and highlight, if you liked this video, go ahead and leave a like and comment below if you want to see anything else from me. If you want to see how I do a quick morning, get out the door type of makeup, I'll do that. I am open to constructive criticism. If you have any more ideas of what I can try for a faux freckle look, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll try and leave all of the products that I used, even for my entire face. I will leave the information in the description box below. If you want to see any more videos, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on social media at Mendoza Beauty on Instagram, and I will be back with another tutorial next time. See you soon.